Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to have a detailed discussion on National Commission for Safai Karamcharis. Let's first know why this is in news. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, has approved the extension of tenure of National Commission for Safai Karamchari for 3 years beyond 31st March 2025, that is up to 31st March 2028. Now, let's know about NSKFDC. The first National Commission for Safai Karamchari, set up in 1994 under the National Commission for Safai Karamcharis Act 1993, was functioning as a statutory body till 2024 when the law lapsed. Since then, the Commission has been acting as a non-statutory body under the Social Justice Ministry, with its tenure being extended from time to time. Now, let's know the composition of NSKFDC. The National Commission for Safai Karamcharis comprises one chairperson in the rank and status of the Union Minister of State, one vice chairperson in the rank and status of Secretary to the Government of India, and 5 members including a lady member in the rank and status of the Secretary to the Government of India and the Secretary in the rank of Joint Secretary to the Government of India along with other supporting staff. Now, let's know the function of NSKFDC. First is, NSKFDC has been entrusted with the task of monitoring the implementation of the Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavenger and their Rehabilitation Act 2013, which prohibits manual scavenging and hazardous cleaning of sewers. Second is, the Commission also receives complaints or petitions from the Safai Karamcharis from all over the country. The Commission calls for the factual report in connection with these complaints or petitions from the concerned authorities and impress upon them to redress the grievance of the affected Safai Karamcharis. Third is, based on the information received through print or electronic media, the Commission suo motu takes cognizance of problems of Safai Karamcharis and tries to resolve them by playing a proactive role. Fourth is, the Commission also reviews various problems of Safai Karamcharis, status of payment of compensation to the legal successor of severe death victims through a members of meeting or VCs with the state or local authorities. And fifth is, based on its finding, the Commission gives its recommendations for rehabilitation and liberation of Safai Karamcharis from the scourge of manual scavenging to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment from time to time as well as in its annual report. Now, let's know the constitutional and legal framework to eradicate manual scavenging. First, the Constitution of India guarantees and protects under Article 14, that is equality before law, Article 17, abolition of untouchability, Article 21, that is right to life and personal liberty, and so on. Second is, Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavenger and the Rehabilitation Act 2013 bans manual scavenging and includes rehabilitation issues. Third is, National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem, that is Namaste scheme, aims at formalization and rehabilitation of manual scavengers. Now, let's have a look on development in the country in this regard. The Supreme Court in January 2025 passed directions banning manual scavenging and manual sewer cleaning in 6 metropolitan cities in a writ petition seeking the eradication of manual scavenging in country. The Supreme Court of India in Dr. Balram Singh versus Union of India directed the Union government to take appropriate measures to ensure that the practice is completely eradicated in a phased manner. The Supreme Court of India has directed government in March 2024 to pay compensation amount of Rs 10 lakh each to the families of those who have died while cleaning sewers or septic tanks from the year 1993 onwards. National Safai Karamchari Finance and Development Corporation, a wholly owned Government of India undertaking under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, was set up on 24th January 1997 as a company not for profit under Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956. It is in operation since October 1997 as an apex corporation for the all-round socio-economic upliftment of the Safai Karamcharis, scavengers and their dependents throughout the country. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.